Hello, in this video I would like to introduce you to our newest LSR series, which is this custom design. Particularly this 3 set was custom designed for NEC display. This one is for 8.4 display NEC screen, and this one is for a 10.4, and this one's for 12.1 inch NEC display. See, for the 12.1 inch display, and basically you just connect this end to it, and then before you use, you have to peel off this protective film, and then basically just slice right back to where the old reflector is, and just connect this black to power ground, red to either 12 volt or 24 volt. Same as a 10.4 inch display, same thing. It's already disable enabled, so just connect the black wire to the power ground, red wire to the positive between 12 volt to 24 volt. And this is for the 8.4 inch LCD display. This one comes with the 1/6-pin pigtail. So you can rewire back to your inverter, because some NEC old inverter. Just keep that in your mind for 8.4 inch display. NEC, most of them, the original inverter was driven by 5 volts. If that's the case, you might have to use one of our, we call it DC to DC step up converters, which is you can apply 5 volt to here and step up to 12 volts, and then connect to this LED strips. This is LSR series, is really bright, and this is our newest one. Thank you for watching.